Back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video anywhere you see it, and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, just press on your subscribe button. And also, if you need any help, just try to leave a comment below, or you contact us with this number 2348034495990. With this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. And also, for your information, we have over 250 videos on our platform. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice without no problem. Okay, what I have for you on this video, the topic is known as word problem. You know what's called word problem. Let me just try to explain word problem. Now, word problems, which is my objective of this class, is to solve word problem involving whole numbers and fraction. That is the objective. Now, the outline, what I want to work on, the first one, introduction part, and the second one, problems involving equations. Problem involving equation. I may not be able to talk about simultaneous part of it or quadratic part of it, but equation anyway. Okay, that is what I have for you. Please take note of that. Very important. Now, I have okay, let me start from this. We have been on it. Make sure you watch our video 1 on this part before you watch this video. Now, change introduction part, the following numerical expression into word statements. Okay, now the first one, I have a 2 plus 7 bracket of minus 3. 2 plus 7 bracket of minus 3. B 5 bracket of 9 minus 6. C, I have 2 plus 7 bracket of minus 3 divided by 9. And D, I'm having 26 plus 7 multiplied by 2 divided by 8. Now, before we solve this problem, let me quickly explain in terms of word problem, equation, and expression. Now, when I have a problem like this, 2 plus 7 minus 11. Now, this is a simple expression. This is known as what? Expression. Please take note of that. Expression. Now, but when I have it in terms of 2 plus 7 minus and equals to, let me use the word 100. Or let me just use equals to x. Now, because equal to sign, make it to become what? Equation. Equation. Now, can you see the difference between expression and equation? Now, commonly, you'll be using a word here, evaluate. Evaluate, simplify, enumerate, and so on and so forth. While here, you'll be using the word find. What is the value? Find the value, and so on and so forth. I'm just trying to break it down so that you'll be able to understand the introduction part of this class. Okay. Now, I want to use this problem so that you can see it, how it will come up in terms of what? Word problem. Now, I have this statement. I have solution to A. Solution to A. Now, I have this 2 plus 7 bracket of minus 3. Now, I want to turn this thing to what? To word problem. Now, it means what I mean there is that 2 plus 7 is the sum of 2 and 7. Sum of 2 and 7. Now, if I now have it 2 plus 7 bracket of minus 3 is the positive difference or between the sum of 2 and 3 and the different and number, let me use the word number 3, or a direct statement is from the sum of 2 and 7 subtract 3. That is, this statement really helps. Very, very short. Anyhow you want to do it. That is the first one. That is the statement number 1. Now, number 2 is so that when you are working directly to a problem, you can be able to tackle it and understand it very well. Now, to solution number B. If I have it 5 bracket of, now it means is the product of 5 and 9 minus 6. Both 9 minus 6 is the positive difference between 9 and 6, which is that is just it. It means product of 5 with positive difference of 9 and 6. That is the solution to that one. I'm trying just to understand this part very well. And the third one, which is of C, 2 plus 7 bracket of minus 3 divided by 9. Now, look at this problem. I can as well write this as 1 all over 9, a big bracket of, small bracket of 2 plus 7 minus 3 and close the big bracket. Now, there are 2 brackets here, the small one and this big one. Now, this big one interacts inside, while small one interacts inside, while the big one cover the whole things. Now, it means bigger canopy. For instance, when you have a house and you have a room. Now, this is a house, while this is a what? A room. This bracket is a house, this bracket is a room on the house. Now, okay, what am I saying? Now, am I on the, okay, yes. It means 1/9 of the positive difference. Positive difference between the sum of 2 and 7 and the number 3. Please take note of that. Very, very important. Very, very important. Now, let me move on to the next one, which is going to be solution D, which is the last one of this part. Now, I have this as D. Now, let me talk about D. D, we are at 26 plus 7 multiplied by what? 2 divided by 8. Now, I can as well write this as it also implies 1 all over 8 bracket of, I can open it, no, bracket of plus multiplied by 2, open a big bracket. Now, which means it means is 1/8 of the sum of 26 and the product of 7 and 2. That is all. That is the word problem. Please, you can understand all this. Very, very important. Okay, let me now move on to the second outline. Before we go to the second, let me give you a problem that will really help us to understand this very well. Now, look at this problem. The product of a certain number and 5 is equal to twice the numbers. Subtracted from 20, find the number. Find the number. Now, solution to this problem. The first thing is, I will let the number be x. That certain number, I don't know it. Let me just call it x. Now, the next thing I will do, the product of x and the number and the 5, which is the certain number and the 5, it will be equals to 5x. Please take note of that. Now, twice, it means twice x. Twice x, which means 2 of x, which is subtract from 20, which it means 20 minus 2x. Now, to make it a real, 5x equals to 20 minus 2x, which I will collect like times. When I collect like times, collect like term. Now, I have 5x minus plus equals to 20 minus plus 2x. This will cancel out. This will be 7x equals to 20. Now, my x will be equals to 20 all over 7. My x will be 20 all over 7, which I'll be having, it will be 14. That will be 2 number. X will be equals to 2 number 6 all over 7. That is my answer there. That is my answer there. Okay. I think it's getting better. Now, let me quickly move on to the next one. Okay, this sum of 32 and a certain number is divided by 4. The result is equal to double. How do I say that? This is not right. Double the number. Find the number. Find the number. Now, look at this problem. It's a very simple one. What I will just do, solution to this problem. Now, the first thing I will do, let the number that I do not know be what? N. Now, the sum of 32 and a certain number, that certain number be what? N. Now, the first one says that the sum of the sum, it means the sum of 32 and certain number, which is N, which implies 32 plus N. 32 plus N. The sum divided by 4, which it will be equals to what? 32 plus N all over 4. That is the statement. Now, double the number, which is 2 of N. Now, which is, it's equal to the double of the number. It means I'll be having 32 plus N all over 4 equals to 2N. What I'll just do, there won't be any problem, which I'll be having, let me use 35 so that I have a real number. Sorry for that. 35, sorry for those that are making, sorry. Let me make 35 so that I'll be able to have a good numbers to play with. Now, multiply all through by what? Multiply this by 4, also this by 4, or I bracket it by 4. It means I multiply both sides by 4. This I'll be having 32 plus N equals to 8N. Now, collect like times, collect like term, which I'll be having 35. We're talking about 35, so I'm not more than 32. 35 will be equals to 8N minus N, which is 7N equals to 35. Divide both sides by 7 by 7. This will cancel. My N will be equals to what? 35 divided by 7, which it will be equals to 5. 7 times 5, that would be, yes, which is going to be 5. It means my N is what? Is 5. My N, the number we are referring to, is what? 5. Before we move on, let me quickly round up this with this. Okay, look at this. The sum of two numbers is 32, comma. The sum of one of the numbers and 1 over 5 of the other numbers is 11. Find the two numbers. Now, look at this. Solution to this problem. What I'll just do is let the number be x. It means, yes, 22. Let the number be s. And 22 minus what? S. Which is going to be 32 minus s. Now, that is the first statement there. Okay, now it means I'll be having that. And the next one will now be what? 3 of 4 of x plus 1 of 5 of 22 minus x equals to 11. That is the statement. Now, the LCM is what? Is 20. Just multiply all by 20. which is 20 multiplied by 3 all over 4 plus 20 multiplied by 1 all over 5 bracket of minus x equals to 11 multiplied by 20. Year 1, year 5. Yes. Year 1, year 4. Which I'll be having 15 plus 4 bracket of 22 plus minus x equals to, now this times this, that will be 22, 0. Now, which I'll be having 15 plus 8 times, that will be 88 minus 4x equals to 220. Now, add up everything and take away from that, which I'll be having, okay, now I'll be having minus 40 x equals to addition of the 2, which is going to be 15 and that and that and that, which is I'll be having, oh sorry, there is x here, there is x, sorry for that, there is x here, there is x there, and I'll collect my like times. I'll collect like times, collect like time. This and this will be 11x equals to this and this will be 20 minus what? 88, which I'll be having 132, 11x equals to that. It means x equals to 132 divided by 11. 132 divided by 11, which is going to be 12. My x equals to 12. That is all. My x equals to 12. Okay, this is what I have for you on this video. You can see how we have been using word problem to generate some problem and solve it out. Don't forget that you are on with Further Solutions Academy. Further, which is going to be 12. Now, Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share to your friends and also subscribe if you have not subscribed before. And don't forget, we have over 300 videos on our platform. 250 videos on our platform. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice without no problem. And mind you, if you have any problem, you can comment or you contact us with this line. You can do 3 things with this line. The first thing, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is allowed. Once again, thanks for watching.